we will be taking a look at Collectiv's Recycle Sales Analysis Report. The report makes use of recycling material and shows its profitability. Recycling has numerous advantages. For starters, it reduces emissions. It also reduces waste that ends up in a landfill. The report aids in determining the value of recycling. In this report, there are 3 pages: sales summary, dynamic analysis, and key influencers. We also have a slicer based on calendar, item grouping, which has a drop-down with options for auto recycling, metal recycling, or steel manufacturing. Additionally, the slicer is based on geography, sales territory, and customer name. We also have visuals based on trending sales. There is also a visual on sales, which is based on auto recycling, metal recycling, and steel manufacturing once again. To the right, we have top 10 customer sales, based on total sales with categorical data on customer name. We also have a breakdown on sold items breakdown, based on the composition tree. There is another visual based on sales by geography. On our next page, Dynamic Analysis, we have a text field, which can be used to ask a question based on the following bars. For example, if I select top cities by total sales, you'll see the visual representation of it. Moving to the next page, Key Influencers, you have 2 selections, called Key Influencers and Top Segments on this page. Just like the other pages, you can also choose the items based on auto recycling, metal recycling, or steel manufacturing. For example, when you select one, you can also see the visual representation of it. On top segments, you can do the same by item groups. You can select either auto recycling, metal recycling, or steel manufacturing. This has been a brief overview of Recycle Sales Analysis Report by Collectiv. Please contact us for more details at gocollectiv.com.